All right, Captain here. Had a little bit of a miscalculation, and I probably should have thought about this in advance, but again, my first camping trip of the year, I didn't quite think about this. So I made some sandwiches to bring out, and they're delicious, by the way. And I threw them in the cooler because I didn't want them to overheat. Well, I kind of forgot my fridge runs at a balmy 35 to 32 degrees, and well, I don't mind a cold sandwich. I don't necessarily want a frozen sandwich. And I said, well, that's no problem. I got a fire pit. When I get out here, I'll fire up the fire pit. I'll throw the sandwich in the fire pit. It's wrapped in aluminum foil, and warm it up a little bit. Yeah, it'll be good. Didn't think about lunch and not having a fire at lunch. So anyway, remembered something that I did when we were in the Marines, back when we used to get MREs and we didn't have the heat tabs, or you used too many heaters. And anybody that knows that they tried to eat one of those vegetarian black bean stuff, Spanish rice just wasn't working out unless it was warm. So I reached back into my bag of tricks and turned on the oven, so to speak. So give me just a second, y'all. Let's do this real quick. All right, got the oven open now, and there we go. Yeah. Ooh. Nice and toasty. Ran her for about 5 minutes at 1100 RPMs, and that'll be one nice and warm sandwich. Captain out.